Okay, so just as we rarely find prime colours in nature, neither do we find prime smells. So although I put all these things into groups for you, actually pure examples are very hard to come by of a pure citrusy smell. The pure citrusy smell would most accurately be represented by the main smell that is responsible for lemons, called citral. For the aliphatic smells, aldehyde C12, lauric. For the iceberg, menthol. And I can go through the ABCs like that, but we rarely actually find a pure thing. So for example, rosemary has a cool note, but also has a slightly herby character too. And this is good for us because we can now use this to differentiate different smells, like a profiler. So we can have here, this is a green apple, and this is a red apple. So what groups would mostly be involved in this smell? Fruity notes. So fruity is going to be, for both of them, the most important probably. Not, maybe traces, but not so important, yeah.
What about citrus?
Yeah, maybe some citrus, some sourness. There's a clue in the name.
Green.
Yeah, some green for the green one. Maybe a little less for the... Sorry? Rose? Particularly for the red apple, the rose is important. There's probably no rose in this one. I think that gives us a place to start. Yeah. So now we give it some numbers. Just come up with some numbers. So if we said that fruity was 50% of our smell, does not have to add up to 100. It's just a starting point. Yeah. Where would we put? All of you have got a slightly different green apple. Some of you have got Granny Smith. Some of you have got Golden Delicious. You know, but how many points would you give for the sourness of a green apple? 30%, quite high. Okay. And how about the sourness on the red apple? 15, probably less, yeah. And how about the green notes for the 10?
Yes.
Okay, 10. 4. Rose? Maybe 10, yeah, I think we've got a fair bit. So what we have now is we can draw, if we do that as a percentage, what's that, 15, 75, 79, at 20%, so about 60% fruity. Whoops. Fruity, about 20% citrus, 4% green, and 10% rose. Not exactly to scale. Yeah. Yeah. And then on this one, 80, same total. So we've got the same fruitiness. We've got far more citrus, and then we've got some green. That was rose. So we have a way of comparing these two smells. We found that doing this many times, most smells only require about 4 or 5 of the ABCs to make up maybe over 99% of the smell. Yeah, you may need traces of things like edible and just to finish it off, a little bit vanilla to make it a bit sweeter, things like that. But they're not the main character. Main character usually comes from 4, maximum 5 of the ABCs. Lime. Citrus. What's the missing one? What else do I need to make a lime? What differentiates lime from lemon, for example?
It's more fresher.
It's more fresh. Strangely enough, it's something like K. To make a lime, you need citrus and conifer. How about to make a banana smell? You love your edible. Just a trace. Mostly fruity again, yeah? Mostly fruity. What else? Yeah, you need some creaminess. I think that's the next one. But the jasmine character, maybe a trace, yeah. But again, it's not a major one.
Jasmine character and banana.
Trace. And if you're making jasmine, a touch of banana note is very useful. Vanilla, yes. These are the main three. There's one more. There's one more important one that's missing, and it's not one you would expect unless you know it. So, we have vanilla already. It's actually spice. Yeah. Yeah. Really, if you make a banana flavour, needs 1% of clove oil in it, yeah, to make it a banana flavour. So these make up most of the formula, yeah, 99%. But you need like 1% of a clove or eugenol just to make it into a banana. Other notes you could add there are jasmine, a little bit of green, depending on the ripeness of the banana. Yeah, all things that affect it. Another one you could do, I was asked about durian earlier. How many of you know durian? Yeah, well, yeah, it's called the king of fruits. It smells very fecal. Yeah.
Please don't bring anything to the hotel.
Many hotels have a little sign with a durian on it, and it says like a big cross through there, no durians allowed. Yeah. Yes, yeah, yeah. But durian has maybe fruit, dairy, green, animal character. Yeah. So that's the sort of thing you do when you're trying to reproduce durian. Green, a little bit of green. Depends on which variety. So, like, I'm not sure what it would be in Malaysia, but the two main varieties in Thailand are Mong Tong, which is the firmer one, a bit greener, a little less animalic, and then you've got the Chini, which is like very soft, and it's the real durian lovers durian, you know, very animalic. But you mustn't drink beer and eat durian. It make you very, very ill. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. There's some reaction in the. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, I had a friend that he had like a whole durian and then got drunk. And he was like ill for 5 days.
Can you do a circle that's not a fruit?
Yep. Well, actually, I want you to do a circle that's not a fruit. No, not you. Well, me? Okay, give me something else. Give me another smell. Yeah, Coca-Cola. Good, that's a nice one. So, what are the main notes in Coca-Cola? We have citrus fruits. Yeah, lemon, lime. We need some. Yeah, we need some. Oh, wow! Really put me to the test. Gulp. Citrus. Vanilla. Yeah, there's something else I want. A little bit of Q. A little bit of queen. A little bit of resin gives a little bit of. Sorry. I wouldn't put M in this. No, make it too. T possibly, but I think the Q will do that job. Yeah, do part of that job. Okay, so I'm looking here probably 75, 22. Oh no, that's right. Look, I'm going to do. I'll do this. 35, 3, 10, 1. Right. Sorry? Which one? Yeast. Well, I was about to say something else. I was going to say an interesting one Ryan and I did, and we ended up doing Marmite or Vegemite. Yeah. And the funny thing is, the letters we came up with were Y, E, A, S, and T. For the main notes in. Yeah. So basically, what your exercise now is to take that perfume that we smelt this morning, go through the ABCs, draw a circle, and then actually try it. Actually try the drops from the ABCs to reproduce the smell of that perfume. Yeah. Sorry?
Yeah, blue dot. I'll give you a blue.
Yeah, yes, you get a fresh manuscript. For those that you've already forgotten the ABCs, page 7 has them nicely drawn out in a. And you'll see the ABCs are loosely arranged by top note, middle note, and bottom note as well. Does it smell right?
Yeah, that's all right.
It's even got a bubble nose.
Yeah.
Bubbly stuff.
There you go. Cold.
Isn't that sort of, when you say these things, isn't that basically to make it give it more volume and cheapen the thing?
Well, it's not for cheapening only, but it may be the base.
But
It may be an
is also
antioxidant.
Do it, just give it volume. Right?
Well, to give it volume, to stop it irritating the skin, because if it's too concentrated.
It's like a fine fragrance, right?
Yeah.
You add that.
Yeah, but it's not about cheapness. It's about it's like a flower. If you get the concentrate, it's like a flower that's closed.
Right.
When you open the alcohol, it sort of opens it up.
Right.
So it makes it more fresh, more alive.
Is it like a catalyst kind of thing or something?
It just makes it thinner and able to evaporate properly. Yeah.
So it's not about just filling.
It's not just about price, not just about
But it also has.
But there is that aspect to it, of course. Yeah. Just so you know, we've never done that before. So yeah, Ryan. Yeah, Ryan. We've never done that before, have we? Coca-Cola. Yeah, no. So it's not like it's not.
I only said for because he was talking about.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Not exactly, but you know, it could do a little bit more lime in there and a little bit. Yeah.